I would like to marry Igbo man.
Where are you from?
Kogi State.
What part?
Igala.
I hear say Kogi people they speak Igbo, na true?
Yes.
Your side, is it the Igbo part?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, speak Igbo for me.
Okay, good evening. Keki mere una nimekwa. Ke makaya.
How many market days do you people have in Kogi State?
4 market days.
Have they told you people that you people are part of Igbo people?
Yeah.
Do you accept that Kogi, that's your part, Igala are part of Igbo?
Yes.
Okay, what is your name in Igbo language?
Chiamaka.
But there are Kogi people that don't speak Igbo, right?
Yeah. There are some that speak Hausa. There are some that speak Yoruba again.
So now, do you accept that you are an Igbo girl or not?
I'm an Igbo girl. I accept.
What do you do?
I sell supplements. I do marketing.
You were born and brought up in this Lagos?
No.
How long have you been in Lagos?
Just January this year.
Have you heard any story about Igala people that they are being originated from Igbo or not?
Yes, I've heard. They say that we are part of Igbo, blah 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 blah.
Would you like to give your husband one of your kidney?
No.
You don't love your husband reach the extent of transfer, you giving him one kidney?
No, it's not like that. If I love him, it's not like that to remove one of my kidney because I cannot do that for my siblings. That is my husband. No, I can't.
Okay, I know na Ndoni market, kita anwa eke, tata beke, and I know with our beautiful mommy who in Ndoni. She's going to tell us her name and tell us what she think about Ndoni people as nine on a river state. Manya bundi buko ibukaina aswaina so kwa na Ndoni kai mama ainwa aganu ndị mmadụ aganu ife ọ na-asụ. Mommy,
I don't want to go to. I will fit all those ones. Okay, Mwaba Maka. Abụ onye Ndoni. Mbụ onye Ndoni, ọ bụ abụ. Mbụ onye Ndoni. Igbo language na abụ. Ma mi na mbụ onye Ndoni. And Ndoni kumbi. Mbụ onye Umorodu. Ni Ndoni.
Okay, Ndoni ọ bụ Igbo ka ọ bụ Hausa ka Yoruba?
Nigeria anyị nọ n'ime kịta. Nigeria anyị nọ. Is a talk ekele Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba. Definitely kita. Anyị wabụzi ndị Niger Delta asụ Ndoni. Anyị aga asụ Igbo, anyị nwere asụsụ nke anyị. Asụsụ ndị Igbo bụ Ineje, Ijekọ. This is different. Ineje, Ijekọ. That's one language with different intonation. Okay, what I do? I am not going to Igbo. But I am a put an Russia. Hope you take like that.
But I forget about Maka. I want to forget about Maka.
My full name Uzamaka. Uzo Amaka. Because name is your voice.
Okay.
I'm going to Gubam Uzamaka. But there you name Uzamaka.
Okay.
Yaba Fibu.
Uzamaka. It's Uzamaka. Ndi Igbo na-azakwa Uzamaka. And afia anu wine na-azọ kwa afia eke. Na ani Igbo ndị Igbo nkwala eke o dị na nkwọ na afọ. So ebe ọ na anyị na-afa almost no FIFA. Asụsụ dị iche.
Man, not the same Igbo because Nigeria can go where was it? Okay, Rosano. Guys, and the Niger Delta, Kobundi Soko, Kobundi Ndoni no Kifa. It's not done that way now.
Yes.
So Zaito, on definitely I know Panonda Igbo, Manada so intonation I have broken the Igbo. I will get our own language inside the Igbo.
Yes, that is dialect. They can do Abakaleke Sue and Wankefa. Only Abakaleke Swaz, so I got one man.
That is it.
So I think more men are checking is you kuna I book one Igbo, and I will our own dialect. Can you say as soon as soon can? Thank you, mommy.